What's up guys, Moritz here from Section Store once again. Today we will be having a look at this little banner we built for you guys. It's Slideshow. You can easily include into the Dawn Light theme or any other theme. In this tutorial I'm going to use it for the Dawn Light theme and one of my own shops. It's a surfboard brand I own with a couple of friends, and that's how we just get right into it. As you can see right here, you can navigate with those little bubbles, and there are a bunch of more options you have with that Slideshow. And the first thing we need for it is the Section Store app, which you can find in the Shopify App Store. It's easily installed and it's completely free. And after we successfully done that, we're going to head back to the Shopify admin area where we want to be looking for apps, Section Store. And inside the app panel, we want to look for the specific section, which we can do under this little panel right here. Explore sections and type in Slideshow. A bunch of different options right here, but the one I'm using for this tutorial is the Slideshow 4. I do already own this, but it comes with a one-time charge of $9. That means if you bought it once, you're gonna own it forever, and there are no hidden subscription fees, so you don't have to pay like monthly subscriptions, and you neither need a developer or any code yourself. So I think at the end of the day, it's a pretty good deal. All right, let's head back to the home area. Last thing we have to do before we can actually use it is click on the thing and add it to the theme you're using. I've already done so I can just head into the Shopify panel right here. That's the theme editor. It's the one you saw in the beginning of the video. Just gonna get rid of that so I can show you how you can add it. So you just go in here and type in Slideshow 4. That's the one we need. Then we put it all the way to the top. Just going to show you how you can actually add images, and then I show you on the other section how you can customize that whole thing. So I'm just going to use a really random one. So I picked that one, and I will pick another one. Maybe that one. Oh, that one is nice. So you just can see how it's operating, and the text is changeable as well in that whole thing. So if we are actually going to save it up, we can see in the live version how it's getting affected. So I want to change the text on that one as well. So I'm going to go here, slide 1, and on the other one I'm going to do slide 2. Typo right here, but it's not the end of the day. So let's view it. And there we have it. That is slide 1. And the other one is slide 2. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go back to the one you saw in the beginning of the video, so I can showcase you what is customizable as well. So if we click on the whole thing, you can either decide if it's dots, numbers, or buttons. You can see. So that's something you can play around with. The image border radius is changeable. You can set a custom height for the image. If you click that, you can see it right here. You can make it small, big, whatever you prefer. Section background is changeable. A lot of the colors of all the things you see inside the section, and some general margin settings. And you can decide if it's going to be full width or if it's going to have a little padding to the side. And then you can give it a border thickness as well. And then you can customize the slides as well, like the image overlay. So the contrast to the font gets better, but I'm going to leave it to 10. The max width of the container, you can see, so put it to 120 because I think that looks pretty nice. Everything is fully responsive already, and you can do some tweakings on there as well. Container opacity, but that is nice looking already, and some general padding stuff. You can decide where the content is getting positioned. I want to have it in the middle because I think it makes the most sense for this one. Font is changeable, heading size is changeable. Can see pretty much everything in that section is changeable to your likings, and you have the colors as well. But I think the best way to actually get it to your likings is just to tweak around a little bit and have a look for yourself. And I'm just going to save it up, so the right section will get displayed in the homepage again. So let's give that a little reload, and we are back to stage 1. We have that inside our store, and I think that is looking pretty nice, and I'm happy with that. Alright guys, I hope you guys found that useful. If you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow, and it definitely will help us to keep motivation up and build more sections like that. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.